Hi everyone, let's create QR code in Microsoft Excel in a very easy way. Okay, from insert, go to add-ins. From here, search for QR for Office. Search QR for Office. Add. Continue. Okay, you can add this QR Office add-in, and if you have, you can get it from here directly. Now you can bring any link. That's my YouTube channel. I can just copy its link. Control copy. Come back to Excel. Then from here, just control paste. And you can delete this line is just from www dot. Also from here you can select which one you want to choose. I selected this one. Now from here you can just change its color. It's YouTube, so I select red color. Error correction, you can change it. Let it be 15. Size, you see how it changes. And insert. Got. Now I just selected these cells. Home. Got. And then from insert, bring shape. For example, the shape. Good. Shape fill, no fill. Shape outline, change its outline. Good. Then another one. Good. Fill, no fill. Outline. Then insert a text. Write it. Scan me. Change its size to 40. Yes. Now you can bring snipping tool. New. Good. Now you can save it as JPG. For example, in desktop, QR code. Save. Okay. If you see, that's my QR code I've just created. You can send it to your friends. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.